my name is Ivory and now I'm going to show you how I made my Apple Pencil video review. Enjoy! First things first, I started making the storyboard and list all the topics that I wanted to share in the video review. And after that, I gather all information to be put in the video. Here is my final storyboard. Since I have gathered all the information and right now I'm going to make the animation for the video review. I use Powtoon and first I choose blank template and then I seek for the intros. They have several templates for the intros and then I pick the ones that is not really colorful but also simple and it screams Apple Pencil review. And then I changed the objects to iPad and one more is the pencil. Actually, sometimes when using Powtoon, if your connection is not really stable, it will affect the performance of the Powtoon. And here is the result of my first slide. And then I make the second slide to give more information. Then I choose background and search for paper lines and found it. And then I just make the text. I duplicate it first and then add the text. And for the rest of the slide, I just do the same thing as the second slide and we're ready to go. After I finish making the slides, I export them and put it in the iMovie to add some voiceover and add background music. For the music, I use from iMovie because it is actually licensed by Apple to use the music, so basically it is royalty free. Check the final video by clicking the link down in the description below. Thank you! And now I'm going to discuss about what I have learned and some feedbacks to the lecturer. I have learned a lot from this content development and ecosystem subject. Content development means that you maintain and also improve the content of your website or your account or anything. The reason why we need to develop a content because we are trying to engage a lot of listener or reader or viewers to keep interactions with our account. Therefore, with the increase of interaction with our customers, it actually have an impact to our business that could grow our market to larger market. Thank you. So now for the feedback for the lecturer. I'm actually so grateful and honored to be your student. I really enjoy the learning experience in the class and also online, interacting with the lecturer, both and my friends in the group projects. And I also want to say sorry if I cannot fulfill the expectation from the lecturer too or from my friends. I hope we all learn to be our best. Thank you.